Ali here from Mindwave Meditation, and today you are going to learn how to master mindfulness. So mindfulness is super easy to practice, but not so easy to grasp and understand. And in fact, the moment we start to try and intellectualize it, we kind of get further and further away from actually experiencing it. So the amazing benefits of meditation, the physiological, psychological, spiritual benefits of meditation are boundless. And one of the great things about meditation is the byproduct of it, which is mindfulness. Without even sitting down to meditate, you can practice mindfulness and make your life more enjoyable. And that's what I want to show you here. So in this video series, we're going to learn 3 ways you can master mindfulness in your day. We're going to learn to dissolve that mental chatter, that mental fog, that constant barrage of thoughts. Going to learn to settle the mind and learn to relax and calm the body. We're going to learn the art of thinking and consuming and being mindfully present in the moment. So what that looks like is, if I'm here doing this video to you and I'm hearing a little girl over there and the ducks over there and a dog and cars and all the rest of it, my mind's going to go all over the place. And my one mission is to speak to you right now. None of that is a concern of mine at all. My mission is my full undivided focus straight to your face. And all of these things are going to come and try and take us away from the one thing that we're trying to do. And that's the game here. That really is the ultimate task, is to notice these noises, these sirens, these dogs, all the rest of it, ducks, and stay focused on one thing at one time, always. And this repetition of this practice will start to expand in your day. So you'll be writing an email and your mind might go, oh, my phone suddenly lit up. You might read the text, and this is me writing an email, by the way, and your mind gets distracted. But because of this practice, you'll start to notice this feeling of stay on focus, stay focused. And you'll notice that you might look at the phone but come straight back to the email. I'll get that later, I don't need that. And you might start noticing you're talking to your wife or your husband, girlfriend, boyfriend, and you're waiting to speak next. You're bored of them talking, and you're like, yeah, who are you saying? I've got loads of better things to say to you. Yeah, got it. And you'll catch that process and realize that you're listening right now, and you don't need to be thinking about what you're going to say next. So it's like that pause and come back to the girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, and just be there and listen. And then naturally, when it's your time to talk, you'll be present. With the crying babies, jeez. We're going to discover a new perspective, a new lens, a new way of living. And it's something you already have within you. It's nothing new, it's nothing religious or philosophical, really. It's just a way of living life easier, simpler, and definitely more effective. So we find that we often react to life rather than respond to life. Now, we're all guilty of that. And the great thing is, when you practice mindfulness, you'll notice when these things come up. Someone will say something that you don't particularly enjoy. You'll receive an email that might throw you off your day. We tend to instantly want to fight back. I'll tell you what I think. And the great thing is when you apply this pause button, you can take a little step back and take a moment and think, how do I really want to respond right now? Do I really want to respond like that? No, I really don't. That's just what I want to do, but I shouldn't do because it'd be a knock-on effect. So When you unpause, you come back to the email, the person, the situation, and you make a more conscious decision. And it's very usually that conscious decision will lead to a better result, more harmony with that person, the relationship or situation. So this is kind of what we're talking about here. It's a way to make life more enjoyable because you're creating better actions and responses, and you're creating better outcomes in the present moment for your future self, and many in future moments. So we're going to tap into the power of focus. We're going to learn to concentrate on one thing. We've been told to concentrate all our lives. Concentrate, you got to concentrate, but we never got shown how to concentrate. I don't know. I don't know why, but we didn't. So now is the time, no matter how old you are, whether how young you are, this is the time to learn how to concentrate, because learning how to concentrate is going to make your life a hell of a lot easier. So when you use that power to focus, you can channel that power into one thing and see it through to the end and feel accomplished, whether that's a bad eating habit, a drinking problem, a smoking habit, a shopping problem. Maybe you're a little bit righteous and you might need to knock it down a peg. Maybe you're a bit opinionated and you need to channel that into a book or a course for someone else where you can share those opinions rather than, rant onto your friends. I've been guilty of that. Whoop. But using awareness to realize these things is part of the process, and awareness is the first key to change. So let's use this word awareness, tap into ourselves and realize what we want to change in life so we can have a more enjoyable existence for ourselves, our friends and family around us, and the world to be. So if you're interested in all of this talk of mindfulness, meditation, awareness, consciousness, subscribe, click the old bell notification, because that will let you know when the videos are coming up next, and there's going to be a load of them, hundreds, lots of tips and great exercises you can do, practical tools. It's going to be ancient wisdom meets modern science, so I'm going to keep blending those two things together, keep that balance nice. So please comment below how you're feeling, what you want to work on, what videos you'd like to see, and if you could please share this video, that would be wonderful. Can't wait to see you in the next video. If you're interested in the Mindfulness Mastery series, again, click the link below. Maybe it's there as well. Yep. And look forward to seeing you. Peace.